When luxury meets precision German engineering, the result is something truly exceptional. Meet the 2026 Euramobil Profila T 726EF, a premium motorhome built on the trusted Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. This isn't just an RV. It's a five-star suite on wheels designed for those who want freedom without sacrificing comfort. From the very first glance, this motorhome makes a statement. The sleek European styling, aerodynamic body lines, and bold front profile give it a commanding presence on the road. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter platform, it offers the kind of stability and smooth driving experience you'd expect from a high-end vehicle. The LED lighting signature looks sharp and modern, while the wide entry door with an electric step makes getting in and out effortless. Large panoramic windows not only enhance the design, but also flood the interior with natural light, creating an open and inviting atmosphere wherever you park. Step inside, and you immediately feel the difference. The living area is beautifully laid out with a spacious lounge that feels more like a luxury apartment than an RV. The captain's chairs swivel around to face the dining table, creating a comfortable social space perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Soft ambient lighting complements the elegant wood finishes and premium upholstery. Every inch of space is thoughtfully designed to maximize comfort and storage without feeling crowded. Overhead cabinets blend seamlessly into the design, giving you plenty of room for your essentials while maintaining a clean, modern aesthetic. The kitchen is fully equipped for real, everyday cooking. You'll find a multi-burner gas cooktop, a stainless steel sink, and a large refrigerator with a freezer compartment. There's generous counter space for meal prep, along with multiple drawers and cabinets to store groceries and cookware. Whether you're making breakfast before hitting the road or preparing dinner after a long drive, this kitchen delivers both functionality and style. The bathroom setup is smart and surprisingly spacious. A separate shower area ensures comfort and convenience, while the modern sink unit and high-quality fixtures add a premium touch. The clever partition system allows you to create a full private washroom experience, something that truly elevates this motorhome above the average RV. Move toward the rear, and you'll find a beautifully designed sleeping area. The twin beds can easily convert into a large king-size sleeping space, offering flexibility depending on your needs. The mattresses are supportive and comfortable, designed to give you restful sleep night after night. Surrounding cabinets and wardrobe space provide ample storage for clothing and travel essentials. Soft lighting creates a calm and cozy atmosphere, making it the perfect place to unwind after a day of exploring. Under the hood, the reliable Mercedes-Benz diesel engine delivers smooth power and strong torque, making highway driving effortless. The ride feels controlled and stable, even at higher speeds. Advanced driver assistance features such as lane-keeping support, cruise control, and stability systems help reduce fatigue on long journeys. Despite its size, it handles with confidence and comfort, making it surprisingly easy to drive. What truly sets the 2026 Euramobil Profila T 726EF apart is the way it blends luxury living with road trip freedom. It's built for cross-country adventures, national park explorations, and extended travel without ever feeling like you've left home behind. Every detail reflects quality craftsmanship and intelligent design. If you're looking for a motorhome that delivers premium comfort, strong performance, and timeless European styling, this might just be the ultimate home on wheels. Luxury, freedom, adventure, all in one extraordinary machine.